We are showing you, first-time glampers or campers, more of our personal favorite items for you to consider bringing on your next glamping trip. For a full list of what to bring and for tips on first-time glamping, check out our blog article at the end of this video or in the video description below. Also, stay tuned to the end to get a link to our first-time glamping experience at an Airbnb Geodesic Dome with prime lake views and at a luxury glamping tent being served 4 delicious meals at Mount Engadine Lodge, all within the beautiful province of Alberta in the country of Canada. Welcome to Redoing Life, a channel that encourages and empowers you to recognize you are the agent of change in your life and to start changing. Having a wagon with a good pull handle, heavy load capacity, and heavy-duty 360-degree turning wheels to transport your personal items from your vehicle to the glamping accommodation can be quite helpful. Specifically, when we stayed at the Airbnb Geodesic Dome by Coal Lake, our vehicle was a tier above the Geodome, so our wagon was super handy transporting our items back and forth to the dome. We love our Woods outdoor collapsible folding utility standard wagon with carry bag. We use it extensively in our personal lives outside of glamping. We like that we can easily fold it up and store it away with the carry bag. We stayed at the Airbnb Geodesic Dome back in mid-June when the temperature outside was 30 degrees Celsius. Having access to cold water was such a relief from the heat. We brought our reduced dual-wall vacuum-insulated craft growler and filled it up with 1.89 liters of cold water prior to heading to the Geodome. It kept our water cold for up to 48 hours. In addition, when we wanted to drink cold water straight from the growler, the lid was a functional drinking cup. With its dual opening lid, we were able to refill our 500 milliliter Manna double-walled water bottle twice with cold water.
So it's a sunny day out here at the Geodome. You want to make sure that when you're coming out to these places that you bring some sort of dual-walled water bottle here. And what I have here is a Manna dual-walled water bottle. Mine's quite old because I've had mine for almost like 5 years at least, and I've been using it diligently because of how hot it's been throughout these summers. And so we brought this to our glamping experience, and I've been appreciating having some cold water available.
We used our cool Ninja Print reusable snack bags by Colibri Canada for our glamping trips. I believe this is the large snack bag, and in here we have a couple fruits that we brought with us. So we got some fruits and apples that we're going to snack on.
To keep things cool, you want to have a good ice pack. You don't want one that is more liquidy. When this is not frozen, it's a gel, and those ones tend to work better. So the brand that we like is Cryopak. They have different sizes. This is one of the nice ones because the size is good. It's got a handle. Fits very well with all the different types of coolers. The size for this is just right. You can see it fits. You can put it sideways like this, or on the side here, or even underneath at the bottom like this. So depending on what you're bringing, you can put it and customize it to what your needs are. And they stay cold for a long time. So these are good ice packs.
Bonus tip, if you want to monitor the temperature of your cooler, you can use this SwitchBot thermometer and hygrometer plus. This one is not waterproof, so pop it into a waterproof plastic bag, then into the cooler. Otherwise, you can purchase a waterproof version of this product. We like this product because with their app, you can wirelessly monitor the temperature inside the cooler. We really appreciated the functionality of our 2-in-1 camping lantern from the PowerFist brand of Princess Auto.
So definitely when you go glamping, you want to bring some sort of flashlight with you, because I'm just going to show you from the dome right now. It's really dark outside. We use this to go to the washroom at night, and I love lantern lights because they have multiple functions and multiple uses. So I'm going to let my husband demonstrate the light functions. So this is a flashlight function. And then this is the lantern function, which is the bright white light. And then we have like an ambiance, kind of like an old school lantern feel with that yellow lighting. So there's a strap on the back that you can carry. So it just came loose, and can you just hold it from there? So you can hold it like that too, hanging. Here we are outside at the porta potty. So without the light, it looks dark, right? I got an LED flashlight right here, and as you can see, when you don't have anything, you can't see inside. You got the lantern function here, so all you have to do is, in here, there is a hook in that corner, and apologize for lighting. So I just want to show you how useful this is. I'm gonna hang this. I'm gonna hang this right here. There you have it. You have a lantern that will light up the porta potty.
Here we have our stainless steel pocket LED light, which is great for portability and good enough lighting when you don't want to lug around a bigger flashlight or lantern light.
You should get ones that use a AAA battery or AA. Don't get the ones that use the watch batteries, they don't last long. This light comes with 3 settings: high, medium, low. So you'll get different run times depending on how bright you want the flashlight to work.
Interested in any items shown in this video? Head to the video description below to our product affiliate links. Another option to consider for shampoo is the whole blend shampoo bar, specifically the coconut and organic aloe vera, which is one of our favorites that we like to use.
It lasts for about 2 months. It smells pretty good. You don't need conditioner. I mean, once you use it, it's actually quite moisturizing on the hair. So we're just gonna take it out. So there it is in the box. There you have it. It's just a shampoo bar. It's that thick. We're here at Moose Suite at Mount Engadine Lodge, and within the washroom and even on the door here, there's not a lot of hooks to hang stuff, and especially we got these really nice big fluffy towels to use. So here is the only place where you can hang your body towels, and those body towels are pretty thick, so you're gonna run out of room here. We highly encourage, if you got those portable hooks that could go on safely onto the doors, definitely bring them. Just one thing to note with doors, and depending on what doors there are available, I have to show you, this won't close fully. You see, the distance between the door and the frame sometimes is very tight and it won't close fully. Don't ever force it. It will destroy the door frame. Just leave it open like that. Definitely, if you love hanging your stuff, bring a whole bunch of hooks just like we did. We got the 2 metal ones here. We also had an additional plastic one that has multiple hooks, so we were able to hang our towels on here. I like bringing these laundry clips. So if I have something like this, I can hang multiple items. Like I got a hand towel, I got a dishcloth, I got some gloves, and I got like a microfiber to kind of like wipe the tables and stuff when it gets dirty. I love bringing these on trips. I use them diligently when there's not a lot of hooks to use or a lot of places to hang things. This is my solution for that. I highly recommend bringing these types of things because they're super versatile and they're very cheap to purchase. So sometimes when you're staying at a glamping site, sometimes there's other glamping tents or domes nearby, and you just want to be respectful at night, especially if you want to watch TV shows, movies late at night, especially if you're watching with your significant other or a partner. We recommend that you bring a head jack splitter. So what this does is that it allows you to connect to this cable or connect right here on the tablet. Take your headphones and you pop them in here and you pretty much watch your show
without disrupting any neighboring guests in the other geodomes or tents. Continuing on the notion of noise during the day or night while staying at a glamping accommodation, if you are a light sleeper and can be woken up by the slightest noise, best to bring earplugs for the night, as being immersed in nature means hearing the sounds of wildlife that are active at night. Also, there is a likelihood that the accommodation that you're staying at may be made of material that isn't necessarily soundproof, like a geodesic dome or a glamping tent. With the wildfire smoke spreading throughout the province of Alberta back when we stayed at Mount Engadine Lodge in mid-May, we were really thankful to have brought our Rabbit Air A3 air purifier to help clean the air in our accommodation.
You can tell there is a lot of smoke outside from the wildfires in Alberta. The window is open because it is so hot in the glamping tent. We're trying to air it out, but some of the smoke is coming in. And you can tell from the indicator on the Rabbit Air that it is poor quality air. Once we close the window here, then eventually as the air gets filtered, the air quality will improve and it will go down to 1 bar. So our Rabbit Air has been running for about an hour and 45 minutes and now it has gone down to 3. We know that it will remove the smoke particles from the air given enough time. So I have my screen tent here. This is our screen tent that we bought, and great place to use it anywhere outdoors. It's easy to set up, very fast, and very easy to take down. It's quite a cool little screen tent. Now, the good thing about these screen tents is that there are some Velcro pieces attached to each side, and you can buy additional panels that cover up the screens. Sun's beating down. I wanted to put a panel up on the back to protect me from that, and it's doing a good job. Now I have some sun protection and some air coming in from 3 sides, so not bad. I get a great view
So nice. And the breeze.
Our old fly swatter wasn't working effectively leading up to our glamping trips. So here we got our new Polone electric mosquito swatter. My husband found it super satisfying and highly effective using the new fly swatter.
So when you go glamping, definitely want to bring some level of electric fly swatter because there's just so many when you go out at night to go to the washroom or when you're just cooking outside during the day.
So this one has 2 settings versus off. Then you have the on, and this one here requires you to press the button to activate.
Ooh,
We already have some
we
flies
got some
going
flies.
in here. The other setting here allows it to stay on without you holding on to the button. And you can actually set it in its base, the charging base, and it'll stand there, and then this light is supposed to attract the insects.
Whatever you do, don't touch it.
Yeah, it attracts the insects, they'll just go to it, they'll zap themselves. You don't
Alright.
have to operate it yourself.
And as you can see on the dome, there's a lot of bugs already. So, hon, if you could just demonstrate. Woo! And just because these bugs are getting literally electrocuted, it does start to smell like burnt bug.
For a full list of what to bring and for tips on first-time glamping, check out our blog article here or in the video description below. Otherwise, consider this Airbnb Geodesic Dome or Mount Engadine Lodge for your next glamping experience here on our video playlist or in the video description below.